everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm back from being sick. I'm still a little sick. My throat is sore, so I am drinking hot chocolate just so I can soothe my throat. I feel like that's the only thing that's really helping my throat. So after I'm done with this, I'm gonna have some soup because I'm just kind of craving some stuff that's hot. Yeah, but yeah, it was kind of a little bit of a slow week at the store today. Like, it was funny, it's like I was in and out in 30 minutes, and the store manager was there. She's like, wow, you're pretty fast today. I says, yeah, there's not much going on, plus I have a birthday party to go to today, so I'm just like, I want to get in and out and get my videos done and get everything all set up so we can go have fun. We're going swimming today, so I'm just like, cha. But yes, I'm here to bring you guys what I got at CVS. Now, I had some coupons that I didn't look at the date, but they were expired. Not the actual coupons, but like the CRTs that you got. So she's like, oh, this is expired. And I'm like, oh, well, not a big deal. So that's still fine. Everything still worked out in my favor. So yes. So I did 3 separate transactions. With my old card, I just did 1. And then with my new card, I did 2. So I'm going to show you guys what I got. Now, the deal that does expire today, and I thought this was going to be a better deal, and I wish I had that CRT, and I probably had one, I just didn't really look, but it is the Tresemme. Now, I had a 3 off of 12, but it expired for shampoo. Otherwise, I was going to use it for the Tresemme, but I didn't even look if I had any extras, but it's not a big deal. But the Tresemme was $6.59. It was buy one, get one 50% off. Now it says if you spent so much, you would get $5 ECB. So I had 2 of those $5 off 2 coupons that expire today. So $6.59, buy one, get one 50% off. You guys want to buy 4 of them. Use 2 of those $5 off of 2 coupons that expire today. You guys would pay $9.77 for 4 bottles, which is an okay deal. But then you guys will get $5 back in an ECB, and you guys want to submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards. And now I did. It didn't catch it, so I had to change. There's a bottom button on the Fetch Rewards where you guys can actually do changes on your receipt, and then they look at it. I have to do that a lot because they don't catch everything, and they have everything all like in code words. So definitely do Fetch Rewards. Fetch Rewards, it's an awesome site, and especially if you guys want to save up for Christmas, you guys can click my link below and you guys will get 2,000 points right away just by clicking my link and joining. But Fetch Rewards is an app where you just scan your receipts and you get points. If you buy certain products, you get extra points, and you can already redeem stuff at $3. So I always save points up like crazy all year long to get a free Christmas. But anything with the Unilever symbol, you automatically will get like bonus points for buying products like that. But every receipt you scan, you automatically get 25 points. Unless you guys have the bonus items, and you guys can get up to a couple thousand points. So just giving you guys a heads up on that. But after you scan your receipt, I don't know what I got for points, but you guys would get all 4 bottles for $4.77 or $1.19. Now, I wish I had that 3 off of 12 shampoo and conditioner. It would have been $1.77 for all that stuff, but whatever. $1.19 isn't the greatest deal, but I still wanted to use some of those coupons. I really hate, you know, losing some of my coupons. Now, I had some. Where'd they all go? The cashier, like, split everything up, and I'm like, you can put everything all in one bag. But I always bring my reusable bags. I got these from IKEA, so I ended up getting 4 bottles of shampoo and conditioner of the Tresemme. Now, I ended up doing the Clairol Root Touch-Up Hair Dye. Now, I'm trying to cut back on hair dye a lot, but I have a friend who dyes his hair, and he always likes dyeing his hair red. So I thought, you know what, I'm going to try to get him some red, like, touch-up, because then he doesn't have to re-dye his hair. He can just do his touch-up roots. But these were $8.29. I used a 5 off of 2 coupon that I had from coupons.com. I thought there was other coupons, but I could not find them, so I got the 5 off of 2 coupons.com coupon. And then I had a 2 off of 2 hair dye, so I used that for the CRT. I ended up paying $9.58 for both of these, but then you guys buy 2, you get $6 of an ECB, and you guys can submit a $2 rebate on Ibotta and a $2 rebate on Ibotta, so times 2, making this a 42-cent moneymaker. So I got these absolutely free, which I absolutely love hearing the word free. So definitely wanted to share with you guys with that deal. I got the Garnier. I got the Sally Hansen Hard as Nails. I still have been wanting to use this stuff and I haven't. But these were $3.99. Now we do have those $1 off coupons that we got from a couple weeks ago. So you guys want to use 2 $1 off coupons. You guys would pay $5.98 for the both of these. But then you guys will get a $5 back ECB. So you guys can end up getting both of these for just 98 cents or 49 cents a piece, which I think is a pretty good deal for, you know, some treatment for your nails. So definitely wanted to share with you guys with that. And then I got a little bit more stuff for you. Everything got like separated in my bag, so I'm like, yeah. Okay. Did I get? What? Okay. It looks like I bought like 2 of the same things, but I did not. So I ended up getting the Garnier Fructis. Now these were $3.99. I used that 3 off of 2 coupon that we got from, I think it was last week actually. So I used that 3 off of 2 coupon, plus I had a 3 off of 2 CRT that we got from last week for any like a whole blends Garnier Fructis. Hold on, I need a drink. So I ended up using that CRT. So I ended up paying $1.98 for the both of these. But then you guys will get a $4 back ECB for buying 2 of them. This came out to be a $2.02 moneymaker. Oh yeah, I got absolutely both of these for free and I made some money. So I was pretty excited to do that deal. And then I had the L'Oreal Aleve. Now these were $4.99. I used a 3 off of 2 coupon that we got from our inserts. Plus I had a 2 off of 2 CRT that we got from the previous week. So I used that. I paid $4.98 for the both of these. But then I got $5 back in an ECB. So this ended up becoming free or like a 2-cent moneymaker, which I absolutely love when I hear the word moneymaker or free. So I got that. So that was one transaction. That was my old card. Everything came to 28 cents. I ended up using $32 worth of ECBs, but I received $25 back, so I did take a loss, but I did end up getting $4 back with Ibotta. So everything that I just showed you came to $3.28, which I will take. That is an awesome, awesome deal, but I technically only paid 28 cents. Now I did the body wash deal separately because I had a 3 off of 10 CRT for the body wash, and then I also had whatever for the shampoo, but that coupon was expired, so I wasn't able to use that, but it still worked out pretty good. So the soft soap was 2 for $7. I had a 3 off of 10 body wash CRT, so I used these in one transaction. Sorry, I'm losing my voice. So I used that 3 off of 10 CRT, so I paid $11 for these. I ended up, or not you guys would end up paying $11 for all 4 of these, but then you guys will get 2 $4 ECBs, making it $8, so you guys will end up getting these for $3, so $3 for 4 of them, or just 75 cents a piece, I think is a pretty good deal. I'm just losing my voice. So, so that transaction came to $2. I ended up paying $9 worth of ECBs, but then I received $8 back in ECBs for the body wash. So that came out to just be, again, $3, which I think $3 for 4 things of body wash is a pretty good deal. And one thing I learned from having my rummage sale is you want to, if you guys are interested in doing this stuff, get the funky smells. Don't get kind of like the bland ones. I noticed a lot of people took the good smelling ones over the bland ones. So this is something you guys can think about in the future. Oh, I'm just out of breath all of a sudden. Whew. Okay, so I ended up doing the L'Oreal Leave again, because I didn't want to pass up those coupons, so I did that deal again. And then I also did the Garnier Fructis, because I can't pass up free stuff. So that transaction came to 96 cents. Hi, Paris. I used $6 worth of ECBs, but I received $9 back. So that came to be a $2.04 moneymaker. So I got that for free. If you add, hello. I like it when she comes down here and does my videos with me. I love it. I love it. I love it when you're near me. But yes, my total came to $4.24 for all 3 transactions. I ended up getting 20 items. That comes out to be just 21 cents a piece. I will take that any day. I think that's pretty good when you can get 20 items under $5. You know, it really pays to coupon and pay attention and save those ECBs. Just coming up, just giving you guys a heads up, if you guys like to hoard points, or hoard ECBs, start trying to get as many ECBs as possible, because with Black Friday, usually CVS has these deals where you can get, buy this, you get this free, buy this, get this free. And I mean, I've gotten like up to $50 back in ECBs just by buying certain products. So definitely pay attention and see what you guys can get. I just wanted to give you guys a heads up with that. Otherwise, I just want to say thanks for watching, and I will see you guys all later for another CVS haul. See you guys later. Bye-bye.